Johnny Boo and the Silly Blizzard by James Kochalka. Oh, guess what? I woke up. Look, Johnny Boo. What is it, Squiggle? Snow! Doesn't it look like someone covered the whole world in ice cream? Yes, it does. Grab a spoon, Squiggle. It's party time. Jump! Flump. Uh-oh. What's wrong, Johnny Boo? Not your favorite flavor? Silly Squiggle. Every flavor is my favorite. Tee-hee! Well, what flavor is it, Johnny Boo? Let me taste. Nutting flavor. Nutting flavor? How exciting, I can't wait. I never tried nutting flavor before. Zippy, zoom. Wow, hooray. Swishy, whooshy, whooshy, swoosh. Squiggle, just calm down and try it. Oh, a spoonful for me? Well, okay, Johnny Boo. But nutting flavor doesn't taste like anything. I'm not sure what I think of that. Well, there sure is a lot of it. So, you know what I think? I think we're gonna need a bigger spoon. Yeah, haha, pop. Plop. Chapter 2.
Did someone say a bigger spoon?
Eat the ice cream monster! That's not a spoon. That's a fork.
Yeah, but it's my ice cream fork. See? I poke the stuff, then do this and eat it up. With my giant fork, I can eat it all before you get any.
That's not fair! Squiggle, we gotta eat faster! Scoop, scoop, scoop! Plop, plop, plop! Let's go! Yeah, we're fast, Johnny Boo!
What? No!
Nom, nom, nom!
I will squeak more. See? All in one bite.
Oh my!
Look how happy my tummy is now. Right, Johnny Boo?
That's the happiest tummy I've ever seen. You win.
It's also very, very cold. It's so happy it hurts, Johnny Boo. Oh.
Yeah, and my tongue is cold. Ow! Hey, my tail is cold.
Also, my teeth are cold.
Hey, my elbow is cold too. Even my little bald head is cold.
Even my big round eye is cold.
Oh no! Even my spoon is cold. Even my smile is cold. Eek! Brr.
Even my grandma is cold.
Oh no, poor grandma.
No, wait. I mean my thumb. I get these words all mixed up. See, Johnny Boo? See how cold it is?
Uh-oh. A little ice cube just formed around it. That's bad. I hope that never happens to my grandma.
Oh no. Now it's happening to Grandpa too? Quick, Johnny Boo, do something. Help!
Okay, I'll try. Boo! Did that help?
No, Johnny Boo. Even your boo was cold.
Sorry.
Now my eardrums are frozen too.
and my brain. Chapter 4.
But it was worth it, right? Johnny Boo, we got to eat so much.
And now you're sad and cold. But it didn't even taste like anything.
Johnny Boo, it's not so bad. Only the parts of me that hurt are sad. The rest of me feels happy.
Well, what parts hurt?
All of them.
Wait, I know how to warm up.
Eat more fluffy cold stuff?
No.
Eat more coldy fluffy stuff?
No! Eat more mittens! Eat them?
Yum.
Oops, I mean wear them. Haha, yeah, let's wear mittens. Come on, Squiggle, to my secret mitten box. Yay!
Get a mitten for me too, Johnny Boo. Me and my big tummy will wait here.
Okay, Johnny Boo says okay.
Thank you. Get me a really good one. Like maybe mint chocolate strawberry? That's my favorite mitten flavor.
Well, chapter 5. Well, here it is, Squiggle, my secret mitten box. Ooh, I wonder what's inside, Johnny Boo. What is in the box? Mittens! Oh, yeah. Put one on my cold little tail. Okay, Squiggle. Thanks, Johnny Boo. It's so snuggly. My mittens feel so snuggly too. Hooray! But my head is still cold. Uh-oh. Don't worry. We'll just use more mittens. One for me. Ding. One for you. Boop. Thanks, Johnny Boo. Now what should we do? Play? Let's do our happy mitten dance. Happy mitten, dance, dance, dance. Woo! Oh, look, here comes a little snowflake. I think it wants to dance with us. But it has no mittens. It must be so cold. There, catch. Now it's all snuggly. But here comes another one. Oh, and another. And its brother. And its mother. One problem. I don't have this many extra mittens. Poor little snowflakes. Or maybe snowflakes like the cold. Oh, maybe they do. They look so happy. I'm happy too. Maybe you're a snowflake, Johnny Boo. Me? But I'm Johnny Boo, not Sammy Snowflake. That sounds just like the kind of silly thing that Sammy Snowflake would say. What? No way! Oh yeah, he probably says lots of silly stuff. But he would say... But would he say boo? Poof. Yeah, sometimes Sammy Snowflake says stuff like that too. What, Squiggle? You want me to boo louder? That will prove I'm Johnny Boo. I'll make such a boo, you'll see. It's okay, Johnny Boo. I was joking. I really know you're Johnny Boo. You don't have to prove it. Too late. Boo! Flump. Haha, sorry, Squiggle. Once I started, I couldn't stop. Squiggle? Chapter 7. Oh no, what did I do, Squiggle? Squiggle! Where? Squiggle, where are you? I don't know. Oh, that's Squiggle's little voice. Don't worry, Squiggle, here I come. Here comes Johnny Boo. But where are you? I don't see you. I'm lost somewhere. Johnny Boo, somewhere snowy. Poor Squiggle, that could be anywhere. Wait, I think I see you, Squiggle. That's not me. Oops, you're right. Oh, there you are. Wrong again, Johnny Boo. Eek! I'm somewhere else. But where's Johnny Boo? Where? Where's Squiggle? Where? I really don't know. Oh, now I see you. Wiggle your tail, Squiggle. Then I'll know for sure. Wiggle, wiggle. Yup, it's you, Squiggle. Oh, wiggle plop. Well, what do ya know? You're right, Johnny Boo. It's really me. Wait there, Squiggle. I'll climb up to get you. Step. Muff. Something said muff. What's under there? The ice cream monster.
Hi,
Johnny Boo. Did you bring my mitten, Johnny Boo? These mittens are for me and Squiggle. Well, actually... But Johnny Boo, we have so many. The ice cream monster can have one of mine. And my tongue
is
tongue is so cold. See?
Okay. Where it's on your tongue? Boop.
Oh, feels snuggly. And it tastes like mint chocolate strawberry. You remembered my favorite.
You're welcome. Plus, happy winter, everyone. The end.